Iran to share nuclear technology with Iraq. People make no mistake, it is believed, and I repeat it is believed that the United States will drop Iraq into despair over the leak of US dollars into Iran and Syria. Stay positive, yet be prepared. This could get ugly for the Iraqi dinar exchange rate. Here's what's happening.
Iranian President Masoud Pezeshkian met with Iraq's Deputy Prime Minister Fuad Hussein in Tehran on Monday during the Tehran Dialogue Forum, signaling a deepening tie between the two neighboring nations.
This is happening at the same time that the US government is insisting on a breakup between Iran and Iraq, mostly because the finances are blurred.
Pezeshkian reaffirmed Iran's readiness to share its technological capabilities, including peaceful nuclear technologies used in agriculture and medicine, with Iraq and other Islamic countries.
Fuad Hussein acknowledged the growing trade and economic ties between Iraq and Iran, which have steadily expanded despite ongoing pressure from the United States. Notably, Pezeshkian stated that Iran remains open to addressing international nuclear concerns, but only if the US engages sincerely. He emphasized Iran's sovereign right to progress without needing approval from foreign powers. The backdrop to these discussions includes US sanctions that have complicated Iraq's energy reliance on Iran. In March, Washington revoked a key sanctions waiver that allowed Iraq to import Iranian electricity, only to later issue a short-term waiver to help Baghdad meet immediate energy needs. Iran currently supplies around 45% of Iraq's daily electricity consumption, amounting to nearly 14,000 megawatts. Pezeshkian reiterated Iran's determination to fully implement all existing agreements with Iraq. Last month, Iraqi Prime Minister Mohammed Shia al-Sudani's advisor, Hazem al-Khalidi, led a high-level delegation to Tehran. Their meetings focused on infrastructure and commerce, including finalizing the Shalamcheh-Basra railway project and launching joint free trade and industrial zones along the shared border. Both nations have set an ambitious goal of increasing bilateral trade to $25 billion annually, further cementing their partnership in the face of external geopolitical pressure. Here's the bottom line. Compared to Iran, Iraq is a wealthy country with over $100 billion in foreign reserves. However, if the U.S. doesn't see the implementation of global standards in the banking sector and the exclusion of banks allowing U.S. dollars to flow into Iran, the U.S. could further tighten the flow of U.S. dollars from Iraq's Federal Reserve account. This would affect Iraq's ability to function and cause deep fluctuations in the IQD exchange rate. One more thing. Despite sanctions, Iran has developed sophisticated methods to acquire U.S. dollars. The cartel could learn from Iran about money laundering and manipulating finances. Read the article on the channel's blog to learn more about Iran's elaborate financial networks which have put Iraq in hot water with the U.S. The link is in the description.